Today's adventure takes us to the beautiful shores of Subic, Zambales. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng walang challenge. Waking up early is not exactly our forte. But for the sake of avoiding traffic, we made the ultimate sacrifice. With coffee in hand and the road ahead, it's time to chase the sun. Kahit mas gusto naming habulin ang tulog, tara! Our journey began along Ortigas Extension, a place where traffic is usually part of the daily routine. But today, the timing was impeccable. Walang traffic, parang rare celestial event. By 7 a.m., we were already cruising through EDSA, heading straight to NLEX, feeling like we unlocked a secret level in Manila driving. By 9 a.m., we finally reached Subic. Walang stopover, walang abala. Kasi bago umalis, nilabas na namin lahat na kailangan namin ilabas. Tulog si wifey the whole trip. Kaya pagmulat niya, nagulat siya. Parang instant teleportation. Subic na agad. Overall, the drive was smooth and steady. Takbong pogi lang, pero ang bilis din namin nakarating sa aming destination. For our first stop, welcome to 727 Cafe in Subic, where the vibe is chill, the ambience is cozy, and the coffee, chef's kiss. Syempre, I had to try their ube latte, and wow, it did not disappoint. Parang childhood memories in a cup. Pero may caffeine kick. Si wifey naman, adventurous as always. She went for the horchata manchada, kahit kami mismo di namin sure kung ano yun. Pero minsan, adventure means surprises. At may mga surprises na hindi mo agad ma-favorite. Still, it's still part of the experience, and honestly, this place is worth visiting just to chill, sip, and enjoy the Subic breeze. Then again, for the next stop, Royal Duty Free in Subic. Akala mo normal na duty free? Nope, may solid na supermarket na kasama yan. So pwede ka mag-grocery while feeling social. Taray! Ang prices dito in dollars. Pero don't worry, mas mura siya compared sa regular supermarkets. Kaya sulit. Syempre, we grab some snacks and drinks para sa one night stay namin. Essentials lang to, promise. At kung iniisip mo ipapakita ko yung loob, nope, mas masaya na kung kayo na lang ang magpunta mismo dito. Trust me. For lunch, we went to Mr. Taste, a spot for legit halal food here in Subic. Syempre, we had to try their chicken biryani, and wow, sobrang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung spices tapos ang lambot ng chicken, parang yakap sa tiyan. Hindi rin mawawala ang samosa, isa sa mga all-time favorites namin. Crispy, flavorful at perfect panglamig ng gutom. Pero grabe, ang laki ng serving, good for sharing. Pero kung gutom ka, kaya rin solo. Sulit na, masarap pa, highly recommended. So this is the executive room for the night. We booked this for 2,600 per night without breakfast. Take note, without breakfast. Ang laki pala ng kwarto, sobra. Unang-una, yung banyo pa lang, parang kwarto ko na sa bahay. The shower area is so spacious. May upuan pa sa loob. So kung trip mong may audience impact habang naliligo, pwede. Of course, may hot and cold shower. Complete amenities with toilet, sink, bidet, at free toiletries. Sa labas ng CR, meron tayong malaking aparador. Pwede ring tagu-taguan kung bored ka. Then you have your king size bed here, a TV, at kung anong-anong gamit pa na hindi mo na rin naman kailangan. May executive chair para kunyari may work ka. At syempre, a not so impressive view. Pero okay na rin, at least may bintana. Overall, maluwag, malinis, at may social ang vibe. Sulit na rin for the price kahit walang breakfast. After a quick rest and konting touch-up, lumabas na kami to check out the beach. And grabe, sobrang ganda. Para ka na rin nasa Boracay, pumikit ka lang konti, imagine mo na lang. Haha. Kalmado yung tubig, sobrang sarap maligo. Pero medyo nakakakaba lang yung jellyfish warning signage. Kasi apparently, last week may na-sting daw. Kaya if you're planning to swim, better mag-protective gear like rash guard and always stay alert. And quick reminder lang, hindi po ihi ang first aid sa jellyfish sting. Suka po. Yes, as in vinegar. Ihi is cancelled mga kaibigan. We also checked out the rooftop resto and bar. And grabe, sobrang cool. May swimming pool pa sa taas. Perfect kung gusto mo mag-chill habang tanaw ang view. Speaking of the view, sobrang ganda. Picture perfect for a beach lover like us. Kompleto. May sea, sky, and mountains pa. Parang pang postcard. And syempre, ano pang gagawin mo dito kundi maligo? Kaya, let's go! After strolling around and enjoying the beach, nag-crave kami ni wifey ng something chill na kainan. So we dropped by Extremely Espresso Cafe here in Subic. Nag-order kami ng creamy pasta and grabe, sobrang creamy talaga. Sakto yung timpla, rich and flavorful, tapos ang sarap ng garlic bread on the side. Since di naman kami super gutom, nag-share na lang kami. After that, umorder pa kami ng crepe. Ang daming choices pero we pick something simple and sweet. Solid din, sakto pang tapos sa merienda. Ang dami ring options sa menu, from pizza, burgers, pasta, rice meals, to fraps. Busog, sulit and perfect tambayan after the beach day. So we woke up early the next morning para masulit pa yung umaga. Unang ginawa namin, chinek agad tong indoor pool nila. Ang ganda ng setup, may malalaking columns, beach-inspired vibe, and parang infinity pool ang datingan. May mga fountains pa sa kilid kaya super relaxing. Perfect spot to start the day bago mag-breakfast or mag-check out. Since walang breakfast sa hotel, we drove back to SBMA para maghanap ng mga kainan. Pero bago yan, dumaan muna kami sa SBMA Beach to feel the vibes and check kung ano bang meron dito. Ang ganda ng lugar, tahimik and relaxing. Pero apparently, bawal pala maligo dito. Pang sightseeing at tambay lang, kaya picture-picture lang muna bago kumain. Tinry ko talaga magtanong sa local kung pwede ba ako maligo. And nope, bawal talaga. After strolling around, we had our brunch at Maple 28. Ang ganda ng place, cozy and modern, sakto for brunch dates. Si wifey, umorder ng deconstructed mocha coffee. And grabe, first time namin makakita ng ganito. Parang may espresso shot sa isang glass, chocolate drink sa isa, tapos may coffee ice cubes pa. Amazed na amazed kami. Wala kasi naman gano'n sa kabundukan sa amin. Ang social na dating pero ang saya subukan. Halo-halo, tikim-tikim, and voila. Ang sarap talaga. Ako naman, classic tapsilog ang in-order. Tender beef tapa, garlic rice, and perfectly cooked eggs. Yes, there are 2 eggs. Si wifey naman isang solid na bangsilog. Yung bangus, pang titan sa laki. Hindi ka talaga mabibitin. Crispy sa labas, juicy sa loob, swak na swak sa suka. Overall, busog and happy. Definitely a spot we'll visit again pagbalik namin sa Subic. Our last stop, syempre, since tax-free, dumaan kami sa Nike Outlet. Syempre, check ng G's, pero nare-realize ko, bawal pala mag-record dito, kaya tinigil ko na bago pa ako masita. Good thing, naka-score si wifey ng bagong Nike white shoes. Sulit na rin ang quick visit kahit saglit lang.